Hi, we're going to do in this session dividing polynomials, and later on I'll introduce you another method of dividing polynomials, which is synthetic division. This one is quite an easy concept to grasp because you have seen it in 096. So suppose you are asked to divide x squared plus 10x plus 21 by x plus 3. So you do the long division. So you have x squared plus 10x plus 21 by x plus 3. So you want to always get to eliminate the leading term, meaning what? The x squared. So you're asking yourself, what should I multiply x with in order to get x squared? It is x. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x. And then you go ahead, so this would be eliminated. Then 10x minus 3x is 7x plus 21. You do the same thing. How do you get rid of 7x? If you multiply x by 7, 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times 3 is 21. And we did that. It is the same thing like factorization, but we can describe each term. This is 0. This is, as you know, this is the dividend. And this is your divisor. And this is your quotient. And this is your remainder. Okay, so it's another way of factoring. Okay, so let me do another one. Suppose this is given to you. So divide 4 minus 5x minus x squared plus 6x cubed by 3x minus 2. Okay, so since we are doing the log division, we have to start from the term with the highest degree and write the polynomial in descending order. So we have x to the third first, right? So rewrite this. I'm going to put 6x to the third first. Then comes minus x squared. Then comes minus 5x. Then comes positive 4. And then I'm dividing this by 3x minus 2. To get rid of 6x to the third, I have to multiply 3x by 2x squared. So that would give me 6x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2 gives me negative 4x squared. Mind you, I'm subtracting the bottom from the top. So minus x squared minus 4x squared would give us 3x squared. And then put minus 5x and do the same thing again. And it's the same process. So, and to get rid of 3x squared, I multiply this one by x. So this would be 3x squared, and this would be minus 2x. Again, the 3x squared cancel out. If I subtract minus 2x from minus 5x, I will get minus 3x, and this would be plus 4. To get rid of minus 3x, I have to only multiply it by minus 1. Minus 1 times 3x is minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2. And this cancel out. So now you have a remainder of 2. Okay. So that's basically what long division of polynomials means. Okay. Now we're going to do, there is another way of doing dividing polynomials. That's what we call synthetic division. And it's not a very difficult concept. Maybe you have seen it in your earlier experience with math. Let's use synthetic division. Okay, so first let me use log division, and then I'm going to use synthetic division, and you can compare it. And it depends upon the shortness of your. So if you have like divide 5x cubed plus 6x plus 8 by x plus 2. Let's use first log division. But here you have to be careful. Your leading term is x to the third, but then it jumps to 6x. There is no x squared in between. So I would suggest that you use x squared also, because in doing that, you will avoid to make any kind of mistake. So you're going to do 5x cubed. Now, since there is no x squared, I'm going to put 0x squared. I'm not changing its value, but I'm writing it in descending order without any gap in between. Then you have 6x plus 8, and you are dividing that by x plus 2. And let's go ahead and, so if I want to get rid of 5x to the third, I'm going to multiply x by 5x squared, right? So this would be 5x cubed. 5 times 2 is 10. Then you have 10x squared. Okay? So if you get rid of this, 0 minus 10 is minus 10x squared plus 6x. Right? Do the same thing again. This time you're going to multiply minus 10x by x to get minus 10x squared. And minus 10x times 2 is minus 20x. Okay. Then this cancel out. 6 minus 20x is 26x plus 8. Then you're going to do plus 26. 26 times x is 26x. 26 times 2 is 52, right? Then the 26x and the 26x cancel out. 8 minus 52 is minus 44, and that would be your remainder. And let's do this using synthetic division. This is in the form of long division. In synthetic division, all we need to do is, I'm going to rewrite then again 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 6x plus 8. For the dividend, for the part of the dividend, I'm only going to use the coefficients. So I'm going to write 5, 0, 6, 8. All the coefficients of each term, starting from the leading term to the end. For my divisor, I'm going to ask for what value of x is x plus 2 0. So you can calculate. So if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative 2. So I'm going to use, instead of x plus 2, because mind you, all of these are constant numbers. I don't need x. I know this one is of the third degree, the second degree, the first degree, the 0 degree. Then I have the 0 of x plus 2 is negative 2. I'm going to put another horizontal line. I'm going to drop the first term, 5. Okay. Then, now this time I'm going to multiply. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. In long division, I subtract one from the other, but here I don't. I add. 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. I'm going to do the same thing. Negative 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. Right? And 6 plus negative 20 is negative 14. Isn't that right? Oh, this is positive. My apologies. 6 plus 20 is 26. And 26 times negative 2 is negative 52. And 8 plus negative 52 is negative 44. This is what we got in the long division. Look how the steps that you take is so short using synthetic division. This is your remainder. This is x of 0 degree. This is x of the first degree. This is x of the second degree. So you have 5x squared minus 10x plus 26. We got the same outcome when we're doing the long division, but within a relatively shorter time. Okay?
So let me do another one.
So, use synthetic division to do 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. You are dividing it by x minus 1. And now let's use the synthetic division. Again, make sure that there is no gap. This one time that there is no gap, so all you need to do is what? Write the terms starting from the leading to the end minus 1. And then you are dividing it by x minus 1. So what is the 0 of x minus 1? It is 1. Put another line. Drop 4. You don't touch always. You let the leading term by itself 4. And then keep on multiplying. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. This is your remainder. Then you can write this as 4x squared plus x plus 4. Okay, so that's basically what we mean by synthetic division and long division